Check out these boats first, and then we'll look at their like four-wheelers and everything. Let's go check out some of their boats, man. Yeah, look at this one. It's pretty awesome, man. Yeah, it's the dream life, man. Retire, get a boat, go fishing, just relax and chill. Almost there. Almost there. That's what's up, man. That's what's up, Mike. Well, this is a nice one, huh? Let's get it, my last bro. Check this out. Check out their opening lounge. It's pretty crazy. Look at that, man. Yeah, a little fireplace right here. Opening lounge. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. You get a couple cars with that price. At that price, you could build a couple of these if you know about mechanics. Man, that's insane. 26 G's, 16 G's. Fucking crazy price, man. It's all pricey. Oh, they take trades. Oh, some nice boats, huh? Fuck's sake, man, 20 grand. I like the look of this one. Yeah, pretty cool looking. One day, man, one day. Let's get some money. Get these toys. Yeah. I should just build one. Learn all that shit and build one myself. Fuck. Those beautiful toys. Oh, that's that, man. Yeah, this outdoor shop is pretty dope. Let me show you guys a tank in a sec. Got a lot of cots in that tank. All the fishing gears over here. Camping gears around this side. Yeah, that's their little tank right here. Check this out. To this side, ooh, man. Check them out. That's what's up, man. Got some camping chairs over here. Camping gears and tents. Got some flashlights with the red lights. That's better at night. Ropes, whatever. Yeah, definitely my favorite shop in this town. They got everything. The hunting rifles over there. Nothing restricted here though. And they got the safes over here. Yeah. And they have the bowls on that side, remember?
Just a little bit past that.
Well, you need a pal to come in this aisle. Their 762s are pricey as shit though. I don't think they have any surplus ones. They're cleaning gears or somewhere too. Just go check out a bow and arrows. Ooh. Oh fuck, look at the price on these things. 3K. You can get like 3 AR-15s with that price. So yeah, these are crossbows. Oh, there are the compound bows. Favorite shop in this town. This place is awesome, man. I got to get that money, man. Get more of these toys. Alright, let's go eat. What is this?
I pray you will forgive me for filling the holes of your heavenly house with souls. For I'm a true follower of Jesus the Christ and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And God's promise of forgiveness.
The only halal place in this town, Donair Affair. Their lambs are really good.